Now, when you first receive the machine, we first contact the. Here is work tank. Here is welding power. This one is from machine, and this one is from this cable, and this is contactor here, and the reader line, and this one is from this cable, and this one is input. Here is output. Okay. Also from the here is the output. Go the welding power here. Then welding power, the output is from this cable. We also have the market. Here is the gas. Here is the gas. And here we will show you how to connect. Okay. Here is the controller. And this one is from the here. And the water tank, the voltage is 220 voltage. The welding power is 380 voltage, 3 pass. And the welding machine, the welding robot is the input. The voltage is 220 voltage. After you contact, then open it. Here also turn the machine the power. Here the must check the stop must open. Okay, here is the stop must open. Then open the machine.